the 3 new Nike sport bands from spring 2021. They're $49 at Apple and Nike, compatible with all Apple Watch generations and sizes. I've been unboxing most of the new sport bands this season. Today we're doing a quick unboxing and first impressions. Let me know in the comments below which one you want me to do a full review on, which includes watch faces and how to style. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's open them. First up is Hasta Light Silver. It's like a really toned down teal with an off white. The light silver really adds contrast to make it pop. Here's an outdoor shot. In the distance, you can still see the rounded hole patterns on the band since it's light enough. You already know Nike sport bands are great with working out. I like this color so much, I didn't realize I bought the exact same color in Nike pants. Worked out perfectly. I really want to make a full review on it and show you more, so I hope it gets votes on the comments. I honestly don't think blue Apple Watch is the best color with it, but I'll let you get away with it since it doesn't really clash that hard. Here it is on the other stainless steel colors I have. Next is Chlorine Blue Green. Bam. The color honestly doesn't sound attractive, but just like actual chlorine, I predict some people will appreciate it and some will hate it. I love it, as a collector and a fan of bright colors. It's even more intense outside. You'll surely notice it from a distance. It'll be interesting to see how people match it with colors. For now I'm seeing it either working by making it pop or pairing with similar, if not color blocking colors. Here it is again on other stainless steel colors I have. Finally, we have Ironstone Black. You want a dark color without going black or gray? This is a warmer alternative. I would describe it as dark brown with a drop of gold. I personally only like it with my gold stainless steel Apple Watches. Like, a lot. Here it is with other colors, in case you prefer it. Black will further its dark depth to make it look sleek. It's a warm color, so I can see this matching earth tones. So, which one did you like best? Let me know what you think of these, and which you want me to make a full review on. Feel free to check out the other new watch bands I've already posted. I hope this helped so far. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.